Hi, this is Prem Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, KPR IET. Today we are going to see about history of AI and agents. The history started in the year 1943. In the 1940s and 1950s, researchers such as John McCarthy, Mervyn, and other renowned scientists began exploring the idea of creating machines that could think and reasons like human. Especially in the Dartmouth conference in the year 1956, they have coined this particular term AI. So after that, expert systems are coming into picture mostly in 1960s and 1970s. So researchers started developing expert systems which were programs that used rule-based reasoning to solve specific problems. After that, neural networks coming into picture in the year 1980s and 1990s. The development of neural networks led to significant advantages and machine learning and patterns recognition. So after that, knowledge-based systems are coming into picture in the late 1990s. Researchers developed knowledge-based systems, which were programs that used a database of knowledge to solve complex problems. So after that, deep learning is coming into picture in recently. So advantages in deep learning algorithms and the computational power led to breakthrough in natural language processing, computer vision, and other area of research. Next, we are going to see about the types of artificial intelligence. There are two types. One is type 1, another one is type 2. In type 1 category, there are three types: narrow AI, a general AI, and strong AI. In type 2, reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, self-awareness. There are four types are available in type 2. So we are going to see about based on capabilities, that is a type 1 AI. So it is nothing but a weak AI, or also called as narrow AI. So narrow AI, only the dedicated task with intelligence can perform. The most common and currently available AI is narrow AI in the world of artificial intelligence. The best example is Apple Siri is the best example for type 1 AI. Next one is general AI. General AI is a type of intelligence which could perform any intellectual task with efficiency like a human. Currently, there is no such system exist which could comes under general AI category. The researchers are working on this category. Third one is super AI, which is not available. It is nothing but a more than human. It is working like a more than human. Some key characteristics of strong AI include capability include the ability to think, to reason, to solve the puzzles, make judgments, plan, learn, and communicate by its own. So that is called a super AI. So artificial intelligence next type 2 based on functionality. So first one is reactive machines. So pure reactive machines are the most basic types of artificial intelligence. Such AI system do not store memories or past experience for future actions. These machines only focus on current scenarios and react on its as per possible best actions. Example is IBM Deep Blue system. Next one is limited memory. So the name suggests only limited storage capacity is available. So within a short period of time, we can use only the small amount of processing. For example, self-driving and other things are best example for this limited memory. Third one is theory of mind. So this is understand human emotions, people's believe and be believed to interact socially like humans. That is called as theory of mind. So now, fourth one is self-awareness. So self-awareness AI, so it is a super intelligent AI and will have their own consciousness, sentiments, and self-awareness. These machines will be smarter than human mind. Next, we are going to say about what is agent. So agent is nothing but something perceive the information from the environment, especially from the sensors, and act according to it. For example, perceiving, thinking, and acting. So there are three types of agent. One is human agent, robotic agent, and software agent. So a human agent has eye, ear, and other organs which work for sensor, and hand, leg, vocal tract work for actuators. Robotic agent can have cameras, infrared range, fingers, NLP for sensors, and various motors for actuators. Next one is software agent. Software agent can have keystrokes, file content as sensory input and act on those inputs and display output on the screen. You can see this diagram, you can understand the functions of general agent. Next one is types of AI agent. There are five types of AI agent: simple reflex agent, model based reflex agent, goal based agent, and utility based agent, and last one is learning agent. First we are going to say about the simple reflex agent. A simple reflex agent or the simplest agents. These agents take decisions on the basis of the current percepts and ignore the rest of the perceived history. The history is not considered in this simple reflex agent. Next one is model based agent. A model based agent can work in a partially observed environment and track the situations. It consists of two important factors. One is model, another one is internal state. A model, it is a knowledge about how things happen in the world, so it is called model based agent. Second one is internal state. It is a representation of the current state based on perceived history. And third model is goal based agent. A knowledge of the current state environment is not always sufficient to decide for an agent to do what and other things. Second one is the agent needs to know its goal, which describe desirable situations. Goal based agents expand the capabilities of the model based agent by having the goal information. Fourth one is utility based agent. So these agents are similar to the goal based agent but provide an extra component of utility measurement, which makes them different by providing a measure of success at a given state. Utility based agent act based not only goals but also the best way to achieve the goal. The utility based agent is useful when there are multiple possible alternatives and an agent have to choose in order to perform the best exam. Next one is learning agent. A learning agent in AI is a type of agent which can learn from its past experience or it has learning capabilities. It starts to act with basic knowledge and then able to act and adapt automatically through learning. A learning agent has similar conceptual components which are learning environment, critique, performance element, and problem generator. First one is learning element. It is responsible for making improvements by learning from environment. Critique, learning elements takes feedback from critique which describe that how well the agent is doing with respect to a fixed performance standard. Next one is performance element. It is responsible for selecting external action. And last one is problem generator. This component is responsible for suggesting actions that will lead to new and informative experience. Thank you.